How to replace the wireless charger thermal pad. Removal. Important. This video shows the removal for the 24-inch platform. The 27-inch platform may have variations in placement and number of screws. Remove the 5 rubber feet underneath the stand base. Note: the top middle rubber foot may not be necessary to remove. Remove the 5 P2 Phillips-head screws underneath the rubber feet that secure the stand base to the stand base cover and wireless charger module. Remove the 5 P2 Phillips-head screws that secure the stand base to the stand base cover and wireless charger module. Important: the 5 screws are underneath a plastic shielding and will have dots to mark their location. You can place your screwdriver over the dot and then puncture the plastic shielding to reveal and then remove the 5 screws. Note: the screws on the furthest left and right points are shorter than the middle screws. Carefully unclip the stand base from the stand base cover. Remove the stand base from the stand base cover. Carefully peel up the wireless charger thermal pads and remove. Replacement. Place the wireless charger thermal pads over their alignment markings on the stand base. Place the stand base over the stand base cover and press down along the edges to clip the stand base into the stand base cover. Replace the 5 P2 Phillips-head screws through the holes in the plastic shielding that secure the stand base cover to the stand base. Replace the 5 P2 Phillips-head screws underneath the rubber feet that secure the stand base cover to the stand base. Replace the rubber feet over the screws on the stand base.